Okay, what's up? Day two of my road to profitability, and mainly what this journey is to get my psychology right in trading. Um, Passed my funded account again because yesterday I had over risked and took a trade, and today I on usually on test setups I have um I have four what's it called?
The
I have
market
four
is closed.
resets, so I usually over risk a bit so I could pass the trading combine earlier. So I think I did like I usually do two minis. And yeah, let's get into my trade recap. Going into the day, I thought we were gonna be bearish again, but these candles didn't form yet, and I saw this SMT that we just took out on ES. So and we actually had a nice V-shaped reaction off it, so I was leaning more towards bullish just to take out at least some sort of liquidity or imbalance. So honestly, targeted unrealistic draws. I mean, not unrealistic because this is all LRO, but a little greedy, and we need to purge emotions like that. So my TP should have honestly been right here, but I don't know. Bad trade. But yeah, so entered this trade, V-shaped inverse SMT. This was such an obvious trade because this V shape didn't get any more V shaped than this. We had a nice IFVG right off this first initial candle. We tapped back into um, this fair value gap, and I think I entered right off this candle close, which is perfect. So this trade setup was pretty nice, and we had strong displacement right through the gates, and we ended up hitting this 15 minute, and I was a little bit cautious because I was like, oh, it might respect, might not. But if my drawn us being bullish today was correct, then I assumed that this would be inversed, and it ended up not being inversed, and it ended up dumping. So I got stopped at I think break even somewhere around here, and realizing that we just tapped into a 15 minute, and I think on the 30-second. Yeah, on the 30-second, we just tapped into 15 minute, had a nice V-shape inverse off that, and we made 3 minute IFVG. Once we tapped into imbalance right here, I entered shorts. And again, came close. I think I was targeting right here because we go on the hourly. We had lows here, and we were very close to those lows, so I considered those relative equal lows, and I thought this SMT was just for us to rebalance and then go lower. And honestly, came came pretty close, and I took break even at this high because I mean at this low, and it ended up stopping me out again. But this was also I feel like an A plus trade setup. I saw PB trading took this setup, and then PB Blake took this setup. So both good trades overall, I feel like. And then I was kind of just upset, and I just knew the market was going to dump to take these liquidity draws out. So once we came back into this 1 minute after taking out 1 minute liquidity, and we came back, dumped, had some nice displacement through this range. We had a break of structure, came back into this imbalance. I entered again. And this time I targeted these lows because I felt like, I mean, by this point in time, I was reading this price action and it just looks super choppy. So I was like, okay, let's not target some crazy lows right now. Let's just target what we know is going to get hit. This got hit, and yep, passed the account. Um, this is a different account. This isn't the one I took the trades on, but yep, passed the account. So back to funded. Gonna wait for that payout to, let's actually check it right now. Still waiting on the payout to hit my account so I can actually buy some more accounts. But I'm still on this phase. It's been a while. I'm waiting to hear back, but we'll see. So yeah, those were the trades today. Emotions were kind of greedy. over risked a lot, but hopefully once we get on real money again, we'll start being more disciplined, only trading three contracts like we were doing in the beginning, and just work on longevity rather than profits. Let's work on sustainability and let's be process focused and not profit focused. So yeah, that's my recap today.